Hello, brave awakened ones. Lady B here, Veronica of Higher Realm Holistics. Yes, I have on my cheap little glasses because my vision now it's real clear, but it keeps going in and out. So I'm just trying to play it safe since I have to do this video. Today is the 8th, August 8th. Okay, so I'm going to be coming on live. I'm going to come on at 7:45 because we could talk, allow other people to get in, so we could start at 8 o'clock. I want to Eastern Standard Time. Okay, don't forget 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so we could stand together. Now, this is the mantra that was just given to me. I've been waiting to get this mantra for us to use. Okay, and I'll write it in the description so you could have it, so we could say it together. And also, don't forget to have your favorite crystals. Okay, this is mine, lapis lazuli. If you have lapis lazuli, that'd be great because of, we're dealing with Syrian energy for the A8 Lionsgate. Okay, so, and have a candle. So what we're going to be saying is, Source Creator, command the cosmos to hear our voices and answer our commands now. That's going to be the opener. And the repeater that we're going to be saying 17 times is, we stand as one in unity with the Holy Spirit to manifest the highest probable timeline now for the greatest good of all. So mote it be. Thank you. So that's the repeater that we're going to be doing. Okay? So I'll see you in a couple of hours, I guess. All right? I'll type in the description, write it out, type it out, whatever you want to do. Okay, so Lady B out. Yeah, just got my new tea. How cute is that? The fabric of life. Yes. All right, Lady B out. HigherRealmHolistics.com. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.